BarryTiger.
Barry's Animal Hospital. Let's save the T-Rex. Hi, welcome to Barry Hospital. I'm Dr. Barry. I wonder who will come today. Huh? Hi, Dr. Barry. Hello, Ambulance Angela. Someone is sick. I think they need your help. Oh my! Let's bring the patients inside. Today's treatment is about to begin. Are you ready? Choose our patient today. T-Rex, where does it hurt?
Whoa! Here's what happened. Hot dog, my favorite. Oh my goodness! The volcano erupted! Ouch! It's so hard!
Poor T-Rex, your tail got burned. Let's work together to help T-Rex. Let's cool off the wound with cold water first. There are 2 arrows on the faucet. Which one should we choose? Should we choose the red arrow?
Oh-ho! We should use cold water!
Uh-oh, we should use cold water. I think we should choose the blue arrow instead. Great! The wound is getting better now. Ugh, there are so many germs on the wound. Let's use disinfectant spray to defeat the germs.
Wow!
Excellent! All the germs have been defeated. Finally, let's apply some ointment on the wound so it can heal faster. One, 2, 3. Yeah! Treatment complete! You did an amazing job! If you're happy, 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 dance with me.
Yo-ho!
If you're happy, 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 dance with me.
Yo-ho!
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, no pain anymore.
La la la, let's laugh out loud. All done!
See you next time!